Hello everyone. I know you all are missing winters. I am missing it too, man. The summers are really going to be intense as the days will pass. You will feel the heat wave and you have to be hydrated and you have to take care of yourself and your family as you move out of your house or move to your working place. Just take care, wear full clothes and be hydrated. Never forget it. What to do, what to eat, this is a big question. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple snack that you'd like to have in this summer. It's absolutely tasty, amazing, simple. You know that I keep all my recipes very simple and basic. So without wasting too much of your time, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, cheesy sandwich. So let's go. So guys, here I am with all those ingredients, and believe me, again, I am using very less amount of ingredient. Actually, this sandwich doesn't require too much things. So first of all, I have a tomato. Secondly, I have a cucumber. Third ingredient is onion, black pepper, the hero cheese. So keep in mind, this is a cheese sauce. This is very different from a regular cheese. You can use any brand that you like. You already tasted it, I know that. At the mall with the French fries. Remember the McD and the cheese fries, the cheesy dip. Got it? This is the same thing. So believe me, this is very tasty and this is going to make your recipe absolutely fantastic. The most important thing is bread. I generally prefer brown bread, but today, just for the sake of some taste and for you, I have used this white bread. So it doesn't really matter, once in a while you can have it. And finally, salt. You have to use a little bit of salt or maybe a pinch just to enhance the taste. But keep in mind, the cheese sauce is also salty, so you have to use considerable amount of salt. So keep the balance. So now the next part would be cutting the veggies, that is cutting the tomato, onion and cucumber. So now it is the time for the salad preparation. I am going to keep them all aside and start cutting the veggies. You may cut these veggies in any shape you like. I would prefer thin and round shapes. I think this will be the best one which will suit the sandwich. So let us cut the veggies. So guys, you can choose a chopping board. I am using a plate because the chopping board is missing for now. Chopping board is out of my sight. I cannot find it, so I'm using a plate. You may use a chopping board, that would be so cool. But the purpose is to cut the vegetables, not the plate. So let's, without wasting time, cut these vegetables straight away. So guys, here it is, the perfectly cut salad. The art of salad cutting is here. The art of salad cutting shouldn't go outside India. It should be a secret. Now let's move on to the next part. That is roasting the bread loaves. So here I am with these 4 slices of white bread. I am going to make 2 sets. That means 2 slices make a set. So I'm going to grill it, roast it. If you do not have a grill pan, don't worry, you can use a normal pan. I am not using a single drop of oil at all, so don't worry. This is going to be the most healthy sandwich that you are going to eat today. So let's grill it. So as you can see how beautifully these bread loaves are grilled and roasted. Now it is the time to arrange the salad. Now let's go. So as you can see, this onion is beautifully cut and it is looking so awesome, but you may open it up a bit if you like. Now let us arrange this salad between these 2 bread slices so as to make this sandwich look more awesome. Let's go. I'll be using 2 to 3 pieces of onion, tomato and cucumber depending upon the taste and depending upon your choice. So you may increase or decrease the number depending absolutely on your liking and disliking. Keep that in mind. So let me place some onions, beautiful onions. Absolutely, just arrange it, just spread it Now it's the time to add some color. That means putting the tomato. Not adding the color but arranging the tomato. It will give the sandwich a very good color. Perfect. Now it's time for the cucumber to jump in, giving the sandwich a green color. Green, red. Absolutely awesome. So now arranging the cucumber. You can also call it a herbal sandwich. Absolutely herbal. Perfecto. So now adding a pinch of salt. Keep in mind that cheese sauce is also salty, so just give it a balance. Don't add too much of salt, otherwise you are going to regret it later. So all the efforts are going to be in vain. So just give it a pinch. So I think that much salt is enough. So now I'm going to add some crushed black pepper. If you don't like it, don't use it. I'm just adding it so that this sandwich get a little bit of spiciness. That's all. Otherwise, don't use it if you don't like it. Now the most exciting part of this recipe is adding the cheese sauce. This is a different brand. You may use or opt any brand that you like. This is not a compulsion. Cheese sauce, there are plenty in market. So whatever you like, you use it. Now I'm going to add this inside the sandwich. Now let's go. Don't shy away from adding the cheese sauce. Kids absolutely love it. This is the real hero of this recipe. Kids love it, elders love it, everybody just love it. This is the hero. So earlier in the video I told you that I'm going to make 2 sets of this sandwich. But you know what? Right now I had a thought in my mind that I am going to make it a whole block of sandwich. That means a big sandwich with 4 loaves. Absolutely amazing. That will be fun. So let's make it right now. So now this recipe is almost done. Now it is the time to flip this loaf and make it a big sandwich altogether. So I am going to let the cheese one as it is and flip the non-cheese loaf right on top. So just carefully like this. Oh, one piece fell down. No problem at all. Now the second one with cheese on top of this sandwich. Let's put it here. This is already looking so awesome, man. And now finally, this one at the top. So carefully and quickly, like this. Absolutely amazing. Now this looks monster sandwich, but healthy. Wow. So here I am with this monster size, easy, cheesy, healthy sandwich. This is already looking so awesome. I'm going to enjoy it all alone. Don't worry, you can also enjoy it, but you have to make it before enjoying it. Remember guys, you can carry this to your workplace, factory, industry, office, wherever you work, doesn't matter. You just need 2 to 4 slices of bread, cheese sauce, it is easily available in the market, and salad. And enjoy it anywhere, especially between 4 to 6 p.m. when the stomach urges for food. Yes. This is summertime and this is really healthy for you. So start making it today. Start now if you are at home. You do not need too much of things to make this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to meet you in another video. Till then, take care, enjoy, have fun and take care in summers. Wear full shirts, keep yourself hydrated and enjoy, have fun, tata and bye bye. Best of luck.